Here we are at the Capilano Bridge. Amazing. Here we go. Here's the view.
That's the view of the wonderful city town. Then that's the view.
Going. This way.
Capilano Bridge, the suspension bridge.
They show from the...
Way up and I'll take a picture.
That was good.
Very cool. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
It is very.
Hey, there's a maple leaf.
It's pretty cool.
Tiffany, there's a maple trees.
Yeah, I know.
How cool is that?
How long is the bridge? It's very long. To be precise, it's 450 feet.
Moreover, how far down is it?
How
how high up? 200?
It's 230 feet
That is wild.
above the Capilano River.